Hey guys, welcome to Living in Chicago. Today I'm bringing you all the way to Woodlawn. This is 1500 East Marquette. This property is a humongous, gargantuan property. It has 4 levels from the basement, first floor, second floor, third floor. We're gonna do a quick little property tour, so come with me so I can show you around. I want you to guess how many bedrooms are in here. I'm not gonna tell you until we count them all and how many bathrooms, but it's a lot, all right? So come on in, camera lady. We're in the living room, dining room area. As you can see, they have a pretty decent size dining room table, but the minute that you walk in, you get hit with beautiful sunlight from right behind the windows here, behind the camera. And then as you can see, we do have can lighting, which is awesome. The property, believe it or not, in 2011, was in shambles. There were planks of wood covering the windows. There weren't really any walls in here. So as of 2011, the plumbing and the electrical and the drywall, believe it or not, has been redone. The property does also have 2 different levels of air conditioning. So this floor and the basement has 1 AC system. The second floor and the third floor has a second AC system, so that each one of those can be controlled individually. So we'll come over here and we'll do one quick turnaround so we could see the space that this place provides. It's a humongous living space. It's gigantic. So what I like about it, on the first floor, you come in, living room, dining room area, you do have a half bath right here. And this half bath doesn't have a tub, obviously. It's a sink, it's your countertop. And again, all of this was redone in 2011 and everything is still in amazing condition. Now, this house won't come with my friend here, okay? It won't. I mean, for the right price, maybe, but probably not. But wonderful cat. This is the kitchen, all right? We'll do a quick walkthrough of the kitchen. You have this gigantic long island, all right? You have these beautiful cabinets, and I think they're 42 or 47 inch cabinets, but measure them when you get here, because hopefully you come and you see the property. But an amazing property. Of course, these fixtures stay. And take a look at this oven. Oh my God, it's awesome oven. You have your other little oven system here. Especially if you make pizzas, this is the spot. If you make pizzas, and this is so long that they actually have 4 of these things. So you have a party. We're going to be all right. So I'm going to take you now to the second floor. Okay, this door, by the way, is a door to the basement, which we'll go see later on. Okay, so we're in the hallway of the second floor. All right, this is where the majority of the bedrooms are, on the second floor. Okay, so if we come over here, we'll go into here. It's the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So full bath. There's a tub in here with a shower. Clean hands, all right? Of course, you have your toilet here. If you want to come all the way back here, we can show off the beautiful bathtub shower combination, okay? Now, oh, look at all the light. There's can lighting in here. And I do like these windows. Of course, you gotta have these shades, but all the natural light is beautiful. So come on over this way. Okay, we are going to go this way first. Let's see if we got anybody in here. Okay, come on in. We got 3 people in here, or 3 individuals in here. Myself and our buddy over there, But take a look at this gigantic room. All the bedrooms in here are really good size. This is a full-size bed. See, I'm gonna walk around, and camera lady, feel free to come on in. And look at this computer system. Whoever's in charge of the system, they know what they're doing. Okay, this is kind of like what I got going on here, but they're doing a little bit better. But humongous bedroom. This is bedroom number 1 if we're counting. Okay, here's bedroom number 1. You can follow me. Okay, so so far we saw 1 bedroom. Now we're gonna come in here for bedroom number 2. Again, this is a full-size bed. There's still a closet in here. Okay, still a closet in here. And camera lady, come on in. Have a nice ceiling fan to keep cool in those summers. And it doesn't even really matter, even matter because there's you know, the AC system in here is awesome. There's 2 of them. How are you gonna be hot? How are you gonna be hot? Come on. Let's take a look at bedroom number 3. Here you go. Bedroom number 3. It's big. You could put a full-size bed in here and you would be absolutely fine. I do think even if you had a full-size bed in here, it would still leave you room for some dressers. So you should be fine. So again, huge bedroom. You can put a full-size bed in here, and there are still closet space in here. So far, I think I counted 3 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms. Now we're gonna go to the 3rd floor. Getting my steps in today, everybody. I'm getting my steps in. So here we go. So this is a walk-in closet. Okay. Very spacious. Okay. Like here, I'll do some walk-in so camera lady can get an idea. There's a window in here. Okay, but plenty of space, right? Let's go behind us. Let's go behind us. This is the office for the master bedroom. Okay, take a look at how big this place is. It's humongous. So if you're trying to, if you're trying to run a business, if you're an entrepreneur, this space here, I mean, there's a laptop there. I was gonna sit there, but check it out. I feel like I'm doing big things. Okay, fireplace. Okay. Beautiful fireplace. Now you're working. Now you're done working. Now it's time to relax. That's a bathroom. We'll get to that in a second. But you come down here, and here's your bedroom. Okay. What is it, full-size mattress, I believe? Full-size mattress, but look at still all the space. And if you camera girl, if you come on over this way, there is still a closet over there with space for you to put your things. We won't open the closet, but I'm telling you, this is my favorite room. There is a bathroom now, okay? We are gonna come to the bathroom. And I'm gonna turn the light on, which is over, yeah, right there. And there's another little light here. So come on in. But again, my hands are clean, all right? And we have this beautiful tub. Check that out. And after a hard day's work, you go and relax, wake up in the morning, get in the tub. Man, you put ice into an ice bath. Or you take a shower. It's up to you. As long as you use soap, it's up to you. It's up to you. Come on. So now we saw so far, I want to say 4 bedrooms, am I right? Has it been 4? 4 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms and 1 master bedroom is 4 bedrooms. Now we are going to take the journey. Okay, we're going to the basement again. An amazing amount of space. Okay, this is probably 2.5 feet that way from there. I mean, look at this place. Can lighting. Okay, clean, which is always a plus, right? Okay, there are. Let's see how many more bedrooms. Let's count them. So far we said 4 bedrooms. So far we've seen how many baths? 2 or 3? 3 baths? 2 full, 1 half, so 2.5. So if you follow me this way, there's another full bath down here. Okay. Here's a shower, right? We got a shower in here. And a full bath. Now we'll come down the hall over here. Just want to make sure nobody's in here. All right, come on in. Okay, here is another bedroom. They have a twin bed in here, which I think is appropriate, right? It's appropriate. You could put a bigger bedroom in here if it was going to take away living space, but it is what it is. It's another bedroom. So I think it was bedroom number 5 now. And then right over here, we have the mechanical room that also has the washer and dryer. We'll take a quick peek in here. I'll turn the light on. But they're doing laundry, so we'll just take a quick little peek. But there's your laundry. Your mechanicals are over here in the corner, which is nice. And then, yeah, and that's it. All right, camera girl, follow me. Some of the biggest selling point here, the biggest value is it's a brick property. It's on the corner. This area is highly sought after, especially because of the Obama Library that's going up. So if you're familiar with the Woodlawn area, you'll already know. But as far as the property is concerned, I'll give you just a quick couple of little details about it again. It was purchased in 2011. It was rehabbed in 2011. You're looking at new drywall. The windows, I know the windows were done. The electrical service in 2019 was done in the back. You're looking at new plumbing. You're looking at new electrical. Of course, there's can lighting in here. And man, I want to just say for the money for the listing price, it is an amazing opportunity, because what the future's saying about this area is that the prices have a really good chance of just going up and up and up. You never know with real estate, but if I was a betting man, which I am, this is a really good opportunity for you to pick up. So thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Like and subscribe and follow. If you have any questions or if you want to schedule a tour, you can contact me at the number on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you next time on the next property for living in Chicago, Illinois. Thank you.